Because see, men have a 24-hour cycle.
Yeah.
Women has a 28-day cycle. For God's sake, avoid them. There is nothing less than a sugar bomb. You have your protein, you have your fiber, and then the carbs needs to be controlled at night.
How bad is maida in the roti?
A little difficult to answer because one thing can't fix everything.
Indian subpopulation takes only 10% of required protein.
डार्क चॉकलेट 10 सुन के लोगों को लगेगा कि बार तो रोज खा ही लेना चाहिए.
नमस्कार एंड वेलकम टू टॉक शो बाय डॉक्टर डैड. मैं हूं डॉक्टर गौरव निगम और आज के इस शो में हमने थीम रखी है हेल्दी मॉम्स एंड हेल्दी डैड्स. इसके लिए हमने एक बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट को बुलाया है, मिस शिवानी. मिस शिवानी एक डाइटिशियन है और जिनको 10+ इयर्स का एक्सपीरियंस है. वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट एवरीथिंग दैट अ हेल्दी पेरेंट शुड डू ताकि वो हेल्दी रहें. फॉर दिस वी हैव गूगल्ड more than 400 questions and narrowed it down to only 30. So here are those 30 questions जो healthy parents mostly Google करते हैं. Welcome Shivani today and thank you for being on our show.
Thank you so much. It is pleasure to be here, and I'm ready to roll on with the questions whatever you're putting on.
Yeah, so you know these questions actually when we were trying to procure these questions, हमने बोला कि यार healthy moms or healthy dads, that's the theme of today's podcast. ये सबसे ज़्यादा गूगल क्या करते हैं डाइट को लेके, and through that we developed this 30 odd questions and we are gonna ask you one by one and get the best of the answers
I'm
from you
ready to
today.
take the bullet. But one thing I would like to say here, I think once there's a new mom and there's a new dad, it's the last thing they want to know about themselves. They're so much busy, taking care of the kid and thinking about them, Googling why is this child, peeing like this or why the poop is of this color.
Absolutely.
So this is actually a very good idea.
Right.
So, talk about the parents. Because nobody talks about them, not the relatives, not the friends. Everybody just wants to, the child becomes the center of attraction.
So true.
Right?
और वो होता है ना कि आप प्लेन में भी ट्रैवल करते हो तो द एयर होस्टेस सेज फर्स्ट दैट पहले आप व्हेन द मास्क विल फॉल यू पुट इट ऑन योर फेस फर्स्ट एंड देन हेल्प द अदर.
Right.
So unless the parents are fit, they really cannot take the best care of their child.
100%.
So with that, our first question is of a typical parent like that. A tired parent, let's say, comes to you and says that I have zero time. समय नहीं है मेरे पास. Just tell me one thing that I can do to fix up everything.
Okay, a little difficult to answer
Mhm.
because one thing can't fix everything.
Yeah.
But yeah, still I would like to, try. First thing is fix your breakfast.
Okay.
That's very, very important. See, I'm not talking about the sleep, जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है क्योंकि I think that's the major issue they have. Sleep schedule goes on a, toss. लेकिन breakfast fix करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. That decides your day.
Yeah.
Right? So it has to be at least 30 grams of protein in the morning. There has to be at least 5 grams of fat in the morning and enough carbohydrates. Because बच्चे के साथ you're all cranky and you're like ये भी कर दो वो भी कर दो. There are so many things already, right? So they need to fix their breakfast. That is first thing I always tell them. Doctors take care of the supplementation and medicines and everything. But once they eat a healthy breakfast, the whole day goes fine. Especially for the mothers, they become so obsessed with the kid.
Yeah.
Whole day they
भूल जाते हैं.
सब कुछ भूल जाते हैं, उनको कुछ नहीं ध्यान रहता है ना. तो अगर अच्छा नाश्ता कर रहे हैं अपने तो आपका पेट भरा रहेगा. इट विल हेल्प योर चाइल्ड. अगर आप फीड कर रहे हो पर्टिकुलरली, इनफ प्रोटीन विल हेल्प यू विद द बेटर फीड.
Yeah.
Right? So those things are very important.
You said 30 gram of proteins. Can you give me just an example कि 30 ग्राम प्रोटीन होता किसमें?
30 ग्राम प्रोटीन होता किसमें? यस. सो अगर एगिटेरियन है तो एटलीस्ट 3 अंडे का ऑमलेट खा लिया. ओके, उसके साथ में अगर पॉसिबल है तो थोड़ी सी ग्रीक योगर्ट के साथ हैव सम म्यूजली और मे बी सम ओट्स विद सम ओवरनाइट सोक्ड fruits in that. So that way the combination.
It looks like a 30 gram.
Yeah.
And if somebody is a vegetarian then?
If somebody is vegetarian, then they can take around 150 grams of paneer.
Oh, okay.
है ना?
So,
वो साबुन
चीला में करा लिया some.
चीला में मूंग दाल चीला ले लिया, रेड दाल का चीला ले लिया। आजकल तो हाई प्रोटीन ब्रेड्स भी आ गई है, सो इट बिकम्स मेक्स योर लाइफ इजी।
Mm-hmm.
तो आप
That's right.
उसको ले सकते हो, सो दैट वे यू कैन मैनेज। बट अगर अच्छा ब्रेकफास्ट है तो पूरा दिन आराम से निकल जाता
That is so true.
है, राइट?
That is
और
so
आपको क्रेविंग्स नहीं होती। सी विद द न्यू मॉम्स एंड फॉर दैट मैटर डैड्स ऑल्सो, द मेजर इशू इज वेट बढ़ गया है।
Mm-hmm.
बच्चे के बाद से हम अपने ऊपर ध्यान नहीं दे पा रहे हैं, वर्कआउट करने का टाइम नहीं मिल पा रहा है, राइट? तो होता क्या है, जब आप कम खाते हो और जब आप एक लो प्रोटीन डाइट लेते हो, यू एंड अप हैविंग मोर क्रेविंग्स,
Yeah.
right? Because we all know about insulin. Aajkal everybody knows about it, right?
Very well.
So insulin drops, your cravings increase, and then you end up eating those chips from the cupboard, biscuits from the
बिल्कुल यही होता
और
है.
फ्रिज में जो खोल के अनहेल्दी दिख रहा है वही सबसे अच्छा लगता
बिल्कुल
है, right? So it is not helping you, rather you eat more, the calories are more, and then you gain more weight.
That's right. In fact, the next question goes like कि ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जिससे एनर्जी लेवल्स हाई रहे. एंड आई थिंक यू partially answered that already. Like हम in cravings की वजह से we end up eating more of simple carbs and all. इसकी वजह से the spikes keep coming,
Right.
but वो sustain नहीं रह पा रहा है. In fact, there's a very interesting study. So Shivani, it was noted कि longevity सबसे ज्यादा किस चीज से अफेक्टेड होती है. ऑफ कोर्स देयर आर वेरियस पैरामीटर्स. उसमें एक पैरामीटर ये है कि हाउ गुड your circle is, how well you're connected, etc. But since we're talking about diet, I'm gonna. So the spikes, the insulin spikes that are coming, the glucose spikes that are coming, like alternatively, the spikes are actually setting your longevity. अब ज़्यादा spikes अगर आपके आ रहे हैं, बहुत steep spikes हैं आपके, which basically happens through simple carbohydrates, that reduces the longevity of a person. And I think when you look at that ना, मेरे साथ हुआ था. I was trying to compare it something like me and a fellow nutritionist was sitting and we were discussing this, and उसने बहुत अच्छा example दिया. He said कि गौरव ये सिगरेट्स की तरह है. वो इतना नॉर्मलाइज है कि हम सिंपल कार्ब्स को ऐसा मान लेते हैं कि हाँ चिप्स ही तो है तो खा लो. बट अगर मैं ये बोलूँ कि ये तो हमने न्यूमरेट कर दिया कि एक सिगरेट से 5 मिनट कम हो जाते हैं, तुम ये बोलो ना एक चिप्स के पैकेट से कितनी उम्र कम हो रही है. People need to understand that as well.
Right.
है ना?
And moreover, I think it's not just about chips. पता है गौरव, the problem now is we are eating as per our emotions.
Yeah.
Right? So that bag of chips is gonna give that emotional satiety to your body. Yes. Not आपका पेट भरने के लिए आप वो नहीं खा रहे हो, आप अपना मन भरने के लिए खा रहे हो. You had such a hard day, ऑफिस में लड़ाई हो गई किसी से, घर आए तो वाइफ से किसी बात पे लड़ाई हो गई, वैसे ही छोटा बच्चा है, so she is hangry and she is not able to sleep properly, तो वो frustration कहाँ जाएगी? And then the husband, only things that makes him happy is that bag of chips or maybe that cake which is there in the fridge, जो कोई relative particularly लाया है, right? So that is the emotional help that that simple carbs gives to you.
Yes, actually, by dopamine hit. And
Correct.
I mean, we have innumerous time told on our podcast, so we will not go there. But yeah, since you were talking about एक example के तौर पे कि this is what is happening. In any example of a daily life, ठीक है, एक इंसान आजकल पेरेंट्स किस तरह खाना खा रहे हैं. Like, I mean, I'm not saying कि हर इंसान गलत ही खा रहा है. But let's take for an example, how does a day look like in a parent's life, what they're eating, and where they are going wrong, और आपका क्या सजेशन होगा इसके बदले आपको ऐसा करना चाहिए.
Right. Very personalized.
Hmm.
क्योंकि सब लोगों का बहुत
अलग अलग
होता है, बट जितने पेरेंट्स मेरे पास आते हैं, ठीक है, some people have their first kid, तो थोड़ा एक्सपीरियंस कम होता है, बट देन सेकंड किड के बाद भी लाइक ये तो एकदम अलग है, from the first kid this is absolutely different, right? So usually what I see is with mothers, in the morning they would end up having that cup of tea इतना बड़ा, I mean exactly as this much, right? क्योंकि वो जो चाय है ना, वो जो रात भर सो नहीं पाए हैं, कि जो थकान है उसको कम करने में हेल्प करेगा. So they'll take that tea और उसके साथ 4-5 बिस्किट डुबो के वो खाएंगे. एंड आई थिंक दे वोंट ईट एनीथिंग टिल हस्बैंड गोज टू द ऑफिस. अगर एक और बच्चा घर में है तो वो भी घर से बाहर जाएगा, एंड देन प्रोबेबली वही 11 बजे 11:30 बजे जब ये सब चीज़ों से फ्री हो जाएंगे, देन दे विल हैव द ब्रेकफास्ट. और ब्रेकफास्ट भी क्या होगा, जो सबके लिए बना था. अगर पराठे बने हैं तो वो खा लेते हैं, अगर रोटी बनी थी तो वो खा लेते हैं, पोहा उपमा बना है तो वो खा लेते हैं, राइट. इसके बाद में दे विल बी बिजी विद द इन्फेंट, जो भी
Yeah.
छोटा बच्चा घर का, राइट. एंड देन डिपेंड्स, उसको फीड करा, जब उससे थोड़ा सा टाइम मिला तो कुछ खा लिया. इन इंडियन आई वुड से कि एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ जो है हमारी एंशियंट हिस्ट्री से जो लोग फॉलो करते आ रहे हैं कि देयर इज अ प्रोसेस. अजवाइन वाटर शुरू हो जाता है, यू नो, वंस अ मदर, यू नो, अ विमेन बिकम्स अ मदर, उसके बाद ये सब चीज़ें शुरू हो जाती है. अजवाइन वाटर, जीरा वाटर, दे ईट पंजीरी.
Yeah.
So that becomes a very helpful thing because it is full of energy.
Okay.
Right? It has ghee, it has dry fruits, and it becomes a nutritional bowl for them, जो वो खा लेते हैं in between, है ना. So that's one thing which I like about it. Otherwise, शाम को again वो चाय का कप और वो मोनाको बिस्किट्स,
Yes.
राइट. एंड देन रात को भी हस्बैंड आ गया है, बच्चे को थोड़ी देर पकड़ो एंड आई ईट माई फूड, तो वो रोटी सब्जी, राइट. सो इफ यू सी इन दिस होल schedule, there is zero protein, और आई वुड से अराउंड 10 grams ऑफ प्रोटीन थ्रू आउट द डे, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं होगा. बहुत कम फाइबर, ठीक है. आयरन ऑलरेडी उनका लो होता है, बट इस समय और भी हैज़ टू टेक, इट नीड्स टू बी टेकन केयर ऑफ, दैट इज नॉट देयर. सप्लीमेंट, अगर बच्चा क्रैंकी है तो भूल गए, अगर बच्चा खुश है उस दिन ले भी लिए अपने लिए, राइट. सो इट ऑल बिकम्स डिपेंडेंट ऑन द चाइल्ड,
Yeah.
especially in the first 1 year,
Mm-hmm.
especially when you do not have anybody else to, you know, help you out or take care with, especially in the nuclear families, right.
Mm-hmm.
अब इसमें ठीक क्या हो सकता है?
Yeah.
What I say is prepare before. It's very difficult. अगर आपको पता है कि कल सुबह मुझे कहीं जाना है और मुझे ये पहनना है, मैं रात को निकाल रही हूँ, तो सुबह जो मेरा आधा घंटा मिस होगा ना, वो ठीक हो जाएगा, right?
बिल्कुल.
So simply is
100%.
it goes with the diet also,
Mm-hmm.
with nutrition also. It needs to be planned prior. It is something which is very important. जिस दिन हमने ये समझ लिया ना, उस दिन सारी प्रॉब्लम्स खत्म हो जाएंगी. और जो हर इंडियन घर में ये फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन होता है ना सुबह उठते, आज क्या बनाए,
बिल्कुल.
आई थिंक वो खत्म हो जाए, राइट.
नहीं, बिल्कुल सही है.
तो first things first, morning start with water. Any sort of water. It can be ajwain water, it can be jeera water. Those waters help you to de-bloat.
Okay.
है ना, क्योंकि females are bloated at that time.
Yeah.
They need something, you know, to start the system. So these things help, right? You can take cinnamon water. That is a natural diuretic. It helps you to reduce the water retention from the body. So you can start your
कैसे बनाएंगे हम cinnamon water for example?
just 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon boiled in 1.5 liter of water.
1.5 liter.
Yes, है ना. So you boil it well. Once the water becomes 1 glass, you drink it.
Okay. मतलब?
है ना. So cinnamon water से day start करो. Have nuts. रात को थोड़ी सी मेहनत करके you soak 5 almonds, 2 walnuts, 2 cashews, 1 fig. So even 3-4 munakka also. These things will help you with your iron, your calcium, your some, you know, micronutrients also, your zinc, biotin. तो ये सब help करेंगे. And plus, since you are taking munakka, it's high in fiber, so it will help you with your constipation as well, right? So you start your day with such things. Then instead वो चाय का कप लेने की जगह, it's always better, मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ, चाय को शिफ्ट कर दो मिड मॉर्निंग में, instead of taking it in the empty stomach. तो आप सुबह ये चीज़ें ले लीजिए. ब्रेकफास्ट में कुछ नहीं ले सकते तो रात को ओट्स सोक करके रख दो. बहुत मेहनत का काम नहीं है. अगर सॉल्ट लेना चाहते हो तो रात को दही के अंदर थोड़े से ओट्स डालो, उसको सोक करके फ्रिज में रख दो. सुबह निकालो, उसके अंदर थोड़ा सा कैरेट, थोड़ा सा क्यूक्यूम्बर, थोड़े से अनियन, ये सब डाइस करके, थोड़ी सी हरी मिर्च अगर आपको पसंद है, सॉल्ट ऐड करके, यू हैव इट. It
Oh.
becomes like a perfect meal in
So
the
you-
morning, right?
Yeah.
And it's very easy. Same goes with if you want fruit based, तो रात को दूध के अंदर उसको सोक कर दो या ग्रीक योगर्ट के अंदर सोक कर दो. मॉर्निंग में कोई भी फ्रेश फूड डालो, you add a tablespoon of mixed seeds and you're good to go.
Yeah.
Right?
Help it.
तो
Absolutely.
इस तरीके से you get some good amount of, you know, good carbohydrates. साथ में ग्रीक योगर्ट गया तो अराउंड 10 ग्राम प्रोटीन उससे चला गया. आपने सीड्स डाले तो उससे भी कुछ 2 ग्राम प्रोटीन चला गया.
बिल्कुल.
And then maybe if you're comfortable taking a protein shake, take it.
I want to discuss this protein shake thing
Right.
in detail. Yeah.
Right. So I always say कि you should take it. अगर आपको लगता है कि you cannot manage it with your diet, take it. कोई harm नहीं है. So you take a protein shake, 25 ग्राम प्रोटीन मिला, you're good to go, you're good to start your day.
Okay.
Then mid morning में टाइम मिल रहा है, very good. नहीं मिल रहा है, it's okay. Take a dry fruit laddu.
Okay.
It is something which will provide you energy for a longer period of time.
Yep.
Right? Because it has fats also, it has sugar from the dates, and then it has dry fruits. So you get good nutrition packed thing,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Lunch, start with a salad. सैलेड नहीं ले सकते अलग से, दही के अंदर ही वेजिटेबल्स को चॉप करके डाल दो, ग्रेट करके डाल दो, टेक इट लाइक अ रायता, तो यू गेट गुड अमाउंट ऑफ प्रोबायोटिक, फाइबर ऑल्सो, सो दोज थिंग्स हेल्प. रोटी सब्जी बनी है, रोटी सब्जी खाओ, नो प्रॉब्लम. उसके बाद फिर दाल चावल बना है, वो भी खा लो, नॉट एन इशू. शाम को ट्राई अगेन कि कुछ बनी हुई चीजें जैसे पंजीरी यूजुअली इंडिया में दी जाती है, यू टेक पंजीरी, उसके साथ चाय पी लो. Instead of taking those rusk and biscuits, just so you're just getting calories. There's no
just empty calories हैं
Right.
बस, और क्या. बिल्कुल.
तो वो चीज़ हो जाती है. डिनर में मेक श्योर 100 ग्राम प्रोटीन ले लो, पनीर ले लो,
पनीर.
100 ग्राम पनीर ले लो, 2 अंडे ले लो, साथ में जो भी घर में सब खा रहे हैं वो खा ले.
एक्चुअली पता है, स्पीकिंग ऑफ प्रोटीन, हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट रफली दिस इज अराउंड 1 to 2 grams per kg ऑफ योर. अब 60 किलो का इंसान है, 60 kgs पे योर प्रोटीन रिक्वायरमेंट इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 60 to 90.
Yes, 0.8 to 1 gram.
ओके, चलिए 1 ले लेते हैं.
हाँ.
तो इन दैट केस 1 ग्राम पे 60 आ गया हमारा. 60, a lot of surveys, but one of the very popular surveys says that Indian subpopulation takes only 10% of required protein. हम लोग बोल तो देते हैं कि हाँ एक बोल ऑफ दाल ले ली हमने, एंड हमारे लिए वही प्रोटीन होता है. आई मीन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द मेजॉरिटी ऑफ इंडियंस राइट नाउ, एंड हम मान लेते हैं कि वो. बट आप इस बोल ऑफ दाल के बारे में कुछ बोलना चाहते हो कि हाउ एफिशिएंट इट इज एज अ सोर्स ऑफ प्रोटीन?
I think you actually touched my pain point here. Because people say हम तो रोज एक बोल दाल खाते हैं, हमारा प्रोटीन तो कम हो ही नहीं सकता. हमारे घर में तो 2 बार पनीर बनता है, विच इज लाइक अ वेरी बिग थिंग, राइट? कि हमारे यहाँ तो 2 बार पनीर बनता है, रोज एक बोल दाल खाते हैं, तो प्रोटीन कैसे कम हो सकता है? बट द प्रॉब्लम इज दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दैट 1 सर्विंग ऑफ दाल, which is 30 grams of dal uncooked, it is giving you only around 3 grams of protein.
Imagine.
Right?
That's
और वो भी हम गाढ़ी दाल नहीं खाते हैं. इंडिया में people like ऐसे पतली पानी वाली दाल.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
Right?
बिल्कुल सूप.
So what are you getting out of it? Nothing. 2 बार पनीर खा रहे हो, उस पनीर में भी पनीर से ज्यादा तो मटर होगा.
बिल्कुल.
Right? And then वो भी quantity आप थोड़ी थोड़ी खाओगे. So how much are you even taking? इसीलिए what I started with my patients is I told them, see, I'll let you, calculate your protein here. आप मेरे साथ बैठो और आप मुझे अपना रूटीन बताओ, मैं आपका प्रोटीन काउंट करके बताती हूँ. एंड व्हेन आई टोल्ड देम, दे वर शॉक्ड.
Yeah.
दे वर शॉक्ड टू नो कि आज तक हम ऐसा कर रहे थे. व्हेन वी लूज वेट फॉर दैट मैटर, सो लॉट ऑफ पीपल दे फॉलो अ सर्टेन डाइट, दे लूज वेट लाइक दिस. Every week 1 kilo हो रहा है, and they are very happy about it. But what they don't understand is they are not losing fat.
Yeah.
They're losing
Yeah.
just water and their muscle.
Muscle masses.
क्योंकि डाइट में प्रोटीन नहीं है, बॉडी क्या करेगी?
अपना मसल शेड करेगी. बिल्कुल.
And they're very happy to see it on the weighing scale कि oh, I have lost 20 kgs and I have lost 30 kgs.
And muscle is the only organ in the body that is age reversible. बुढ़ापे में जाके उसी का काम आना है साथ.
Exactly. And मैं तो लोगों को यही बोलती हूँ, I tell this to everybody, that muscle helps you lose fat.
Oh yes, absolutely.
So the moment you realize this fact, आपको समझ आएगी चीजें. अगर आपका मसल मास ज्यादा है, it will help you to increase your metabolism, which will help you to burn more fat. But
Makes sense.
This is the thing which people need to understand now, and
Yeah.
I really hope that through this podcast,
Yeah.
Gaurav,
Yeah.
people understand.
I really hope so too. In fact, पता है मुझे लगता है बहुत awareness आ गई है. Like I remember back in early 2000s, in fact 2015 के आसपास भी, you would go into a gym, you will see all the treadmills busy.
Yeah.
And now you will see all the weight section busy. So people are getting that idea, they're getting there. Also, 2 things you said were lovely. One, when you said preparation for the next day, है ना, यहाँ से मुझे आया कि जिस दिन मैंने अपना नेक्स्ट डे का जो पहनना है वो रख दिया और अपने जिम का बैग पैक करके रख दिया, उस दिन मैं जिम पक्का जाऊंगा नेक्स्ट डे. और अदरवाइज सुबह ना 10 रीजन ढूंढूंगा कि यार जाना ना पड़े आज. अच्छा यार, मे बी ना उसको मैं आज अपनी बेटी को बस स्टॉप पे छोड़ के वापस आ जाता हूँ. अच्छा आज ना अपनी वाइफ के साथ सुबह सुबह कॉफी पी ले. यू कैन फाइंड आउट डिफरेंट रीजन. ऑल्सो वन मोर थिंग वाज, जो एक इटर्नल क्वेश्चन है ना इंडिया में कि आज रात को खाने में क्या बनना है, आज खाने में क्या बनना है. सो आई मेड माई वाइफ सिट विद मी एंड सो देयर इज अ मतलब कभी व्हाटएवर द मेन्यू इज, वी डिसाइडेड ऑन अ पीस ऑफ पेपर एवरी नाइट. लंच इज ऑन आवर ओन, लाइक मैं ऑफिस में हूँ, वो ऑफिस में है, जो भी घर से सुबह कुक बनाएगी, ठीक है. बट डिनर and also we included other members of the family, even my kid, like 6-year-old kid also was a part of that, and we made this chart कि ये बनेगा, calculating the protein कि protein high रहे सब. इतना easy हो गया है, इतना easy हो गया, पता है यार यही बनना है आज, ये इसके raw material होने चाहिए, and
Right.
things are sorted.
And I'll tell you one thing here, it helps you so much क्योंकि जब आपको नहीं पता होता ना आपको क्या खाना है, तो there are higher chances that you'll end up eating junk.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
जब आपको पता है ना कि मुझे घर जाकर ये खाना है, तो
हम्म,
तब आप चीटिंग नहीं करते
नहीं
हो.
करते हो.
चीटिंग तब होती है जब आपको नहीं पता, तो आप सोचते हो अच्छा ये बना ले आज, इसमें तो ये तो घर पे है ही नहीं, वो कर ले, नहीं उसका ये वाला मंगवाना
अनप्रिपेयर्ड
पड़ेगा,
रहोगे तो खराब.
है ना. देन
बिल्कुल.
यू थिंक कि चलो ठीक है यार जोमेटो से ये मंगा लें,
आप
या फिर घर पे आज सब पूरी छोले खा रहे हैं तो हम भी वही खा लें.
speaking
That's
of
का.
Zomato, since you said that,
हाँ.
we all do that, right?
Right.
In fact, recently a friend of mine, we were just talking and उसने बहुत ही, वो और उसकी वाइफ ने एक पैक्ट किया, फॉर 1 month विल नॉट ऑर्डर एनीथिंग फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. बेचारे बहुत बारी फेल हुए, ठीक है, बट इवेंचुअली दे डिड. कंसिडरिंग द लाइफस्टाइल दैट वी आर लिविंग टुडे, होता ही है कि हम ऑर्डर करेंगे बाहर से, और इनफैक्ट काफ़ी बारी भी कर देते हैं. Can you tell some really healthy options that we can order online? Like हमें करना ऑर्डर अब, तो हम क्या करें कि वो हेल्दी भी हो, we can strike that balance.
Yes. I can always tell you this.
Mm-hmm.
If you are trying, I always tell this thing, don't just go for salads. Specifically, आपने ये सुना होगा कि अगर बाहर से खाना है तो सैलेड मंगा लेते हैं. But I would say that's the worst choice ever.
Mm-hmm.
Ordering salads from outside is the worst choice ever. Why? Because A, those are uncooked vegetables.
Yeah.
You don't know how they were, kept, whether there are microorganisms on it, whether you're gonna get, your loosies in the morning,
Yeah. Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So ideally avoid raw salads from outside, even from good places for that matter. I generally do that, right? What you can do is you can always look for options which has more protein and which are more filling. So naan to nahi khana. I would think a dietitian, I won't say that, right? But burrito bowl.
Okay.
It's a good combination wherein there are good fats, there is sour cream, there are vegetables put there. There's a portion of protein also. Then there's rice or quinoa, whatever you like, right? So that becomes a good option, particularly for lunch, right? Then wraps, for that matter. Nowadays you get multigrain wraps also from market. So yeah, those are also a very good option to have.
Yeah.
Then grilled chicken or maybe ग्रिल्ड पनीर फॉर दैट मैटर, पनीर टिक्का, ये सब चीज़ें जो इजीली मिल जाती हैं, यू कैन ऑर्डर फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. और मुझे लगता है बिरयानी इज़ अ ऑलवेज गो टू ऑप्शन जब बाहर से मंगाना है. व्हेन यू फील लाइक यू वांट टू ईट आउटसाइड बट आपको देखना है कि डाइट भी खराब नहीं होनी चाहिए, सो यू ऑर्डर अ बिरयानी.
So biryani versus butter chicken?
No.
तो आप मुझे बोल रहे हो कि बिरयानी is actually a healthier option comparatively when we are talking about ordering outside?
Yeah, it is a good option. See, it has carbohydrates, जिसमें हमें राइस मिल रहा है.
Hmm.
So that you take, no problem in that, a portion of it. Then there would be chicken or paneer in it.
Yeah.
So that will help you with your protein,
Yeah.
right? Only thing which you need to do is have a little extra salad.
Okay. Okay. That we can do it at home.
Yes, easily.
How about butter chicken? I mean, that's a very hot favorite, especially when you talk about Northern India. So, yeah.
So see, butter chicken can be taken, but see, Gaurav, I'll say it is always about the portion size. No food is bad. I'm not someone who would get into, food mongering. I don't do that.
Okay.
Right? I would always say eat everything, go out, enjoy with your friends, your family, eat that butter chicken also. सुखदेव जाके तुम बट वो भी खा लो, पराठे भी खा लो, ठीक है, जरूर खाओ. But always take care कि your portion control has to be taken care. ऐसा नहीं कि आप 4 पराठे खा रहे हो, साथ में चाय पी रहे हो, उसके बाद बाहर निकल के cold coffee पी रहे हो with a lot of sugar. That should not be the case. You take your one paratha, any which ways it is tandoori, you take a little white butter, which will help, fat will help you to manage your insulin. Right? And then you have it, no problem in that. Same goes with butter chicken also. You take your butter chicken, but हाँ उसके साथ फिर आप लच्छा पराठा and all those big names I would say, right? Naan, butter naan, वो नहीं खा के you take normal roti,
Yeah, yeah,
right?
yeah.
So I think it's all about striking that balance.
How bad is maida in the roti?
Uh,
Because there's a very standard combination of rumali roti with butter chicken. So, and I don't think people can make rumali roti just out of atta.
right,
You have to use maida.
right. Again, if you take it once in a month, if you take once in 2 months, it's absolutely
So it
fine.
becomes a-
Enjoy your life.
है ना?
Right. It is very important. But yes, it's always about what you are doing 80% of the time instead of what you're doing 20% of the time.
Yeah, yeah.
Right?
Okay. Yeah.
So, a lot of people come to me, they say, we work out and I do this workout, I do HIIT and this, that, I follow this person and that person. So, I tell them, I ask them this one question, what you're doing for just 1 hour in your 24 hours will definitely matter. But imagine जो 23 घंटे के लिए आप खराब खाना खा रहे हो, वो 1 घंटा कैसे सफाइस करेगा उसको,
कर पाएगा.
right? So this is one very important thing which we really need to understand, that it's not about that one good thing or one bad thing we are following in our lifestyle.
Mhm.
It's about that 80% of the thing which we are trying to manage,
Makes sense actually.
right? So you work out, that's wonderful, but that doesn't give you, a clean sheet to eat whatever you want to eat throughout the day.
Yeah, yeah. In fact, speaking of that parent, और ये बहुत कॉमन क्वेश्चन है, आई एम श्योर अदर डाइटिशियन आपने फेस किया होगा कि यार मैं तो कुछ भी नहीं खाती हूँ फिर भी पता नहीं वेट बढ़ता रहता है. सो हो गया रहा है इन लोगों के साथ.
With parents, the thing is, especially a new mother,
हम्म.
see, your body is very smart. आप स्मार्ट नहीं हो सकते, आपको नहीं पता क्या खाना है, बट आपकी बॉडी को सब कुछ पता है कि उसे क्या चाहिए, क्या चीजें हेल्प करेंगी, क्या चीजें नहीं हेल्प करेंगी, राइट? सो फॉर अ न्यू मदर, बॉडी इज बिजी, it needs, your prolactin levels are high at that time because you have to feed your kid, right? Your body is managing the tears and wears which your body has gone through. तो उस टाइम पर वो हीलिंग फेज पे है, उसका बिल्कुल फोकस नहीं है कि आपका वेट लूज करवाना है,
बिल्कुल.
राइट? योर मेटाबॉलिज्म इज ऑल्सो फास्ट एट दैट टाइम. मैं तो फीमेल्स को ये बोलती हूँ, आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी पीपल नो दिस और नॉट, बट आई टेल दिस, लैक्टेशन अगर हो रहा है प्रॉपरली, दैट इज द बेस्ट टाइम दैट योर बॉडी विल स्टार्ट लूजिंग फैट ऑन इटसेल्फ,
यस, यस.
right? क्योंकि your metabolism is high, your body is working 24/7, and eventually you will see कि जो females, if you see the research also and in general also, females who feed their child regularly,
They lose the fat really fast.
right?
They're back in the shape very fast.
They're back in
Yeah.
the shape very fast. So that is the thing. तो प्रॉब्लम और कुछ नहीं है, प्रॉब्लम बस ये होता है कि इट इज नॉट प्लान्ड. अगेन, जैसे मैंने आपको इन द बिगिनिंग आई टोल्ड यू दिस थिंग, दे डोंट ईट एनीथिंग प्रॉपरली, बट व्हेन दे आर हंग्री दे विल ईट एनीथिंग.
So anything does the
प्रॉब्लम.
problem. Yeah, makes sense. अगर एक छोटा सा, if you have to make one small dinner change that can have a big impact, what would that be?
I would say then it would be for people who want to lose weight, particularly postpartum women who are done with the feeding and everything. Okay, they're done with the lactation. Then just switch your chapatis and rice with some millets maybe,
Okay.
or oats for that matter. Just have a little high fiber dinner, a high protein, high fiber dinner instead of taking 4 roti या इतना सारा चावल.
Okay.
Just portion control your dinner particularly.
So we're not really talking only about, very around the peripartum period.
Mm.
We're not only talking about people who have just given birth and all. We're also talking about parents like myself, like him, or maybe like her, who have children. And I think yours must be post-teenage and, like that age also. So still the reply remains the same, right?
It remains the same.
Yeah.
You have your protein, you have your fiber, and then the carbs needs to be controlled at night. Because your physical activity would be very less. That's one, right? And then you will end up having gastric issues. You see so many people, I see so many people these days, खाना खाते पेट फूल जाता है.
Yeah.
They're just walking here and there कि पेट फूल गया है. I'm having bloating. अगर मैं normal उसमें बोलूँ तो that's bloating.
Yeah, that is.
You end up eating so much, and especially at night.
Yeah.
Dr. Gaurav, the problem is evening snack का value तो है ही नहीं,
Mm-hmm.
right? हमारे यहाँ तो evening snack होता ही नहीं, सिर्फ चाय होती है. ठीक है? और जब वो चाय हो जाती है फिर आप कुछ खाते नहीं हो बिकॉज़ चाय से यू डोंट फील हंग्री,
Yeah.
राइट? उसका मेन काम ही यही है कि आपकी भूख मार
Suppress
देता है, राइट? एंड देन डिनर में यू बिकम
Hmm.
एन एनिमल,
Ferocious eat.
राइट? दैट्स व्हेन यू वांट टू ईट दिन की बची हुई दाल भी, सुबह का बचा हुआ चीला भी एंड जो घर पे बना है वो भी।
Will be. Or also, most of the households, that's one meal that everyone have it together, right?
Together.
So it's more of a celebratory rather than just having
Right.
it. Having that said, exercise is really undervalued. Abhi bhi. I know the curve is a little on the upward tick, but still, वो पेरेंट्स जो एक्सरसाइज नहीं करते हैं, मे बी इट्स फॉर देयर शेड्यूल, मे बी इट्स फॉर देयर प्रेफरेंस, व्हाटएवर, what dietary habit become non-negotiable for them?
See, first thing I would say, it can never be related to time,
Okay. Yeah, obviously it can't
right?
be. Yeah.
Even exercise for that matter is non-negotiable
Mm-hmm.
because it's not just for yourself but for your kid as well.
Yes.
See, your children see what you're doing and that's what they learn.
Absolutely.
अगर आप बैठकर उनके सामने कुछ भी खा रहे हैं, फोन चलाते हुए खाना खा रहे हैं, they will learn the same.
Yes. Yes.
राइट? इफ दे सी यू कि नहीं फिजिकल एक्टिविटी कुछ नहीं करनी है, बेड टी पी रहे हैं मम्मी उठ के या पापा उठ के और उसके बाद सीधा खाना खा रहे हैं, दे विल सी द सेम थिंग,
बिल्कुल.
you know. So it is very important for parents to be mindful about what they are doing,
Mhm.
right? And for the exercise part also, I'll just give you a few things, I would want to tell your viewers also that make sure that once you get up in the morning, आप बेड पे ही just do your stretches.
Okay.
It hardly takes 5 minutes. There are so many videos available on YouTube that you can use and just do your stretching in the morning, bed pe बैठ के. If you do it, at least you're ready for the day.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
अगर हम रात को सोए हैं और सुबह उठ रहे हैं, for the parents also, they are very comfortable scrolling their phone in the morning.
Yeah. Yeah.
सबसे पहले उठ के हम देखते हैं कि कोई मेल तो नहीं आई है, कोई व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेजेस तो नहीं आए हैं. So those 5 minutes we can use for ourselves.
Yep.
Second thing, walk. You're talking and walking. That's one thing which that should be used.
Yeah.
Third, and very easy, good for everybody in the family,
Mhm.
play with your children.
Yeah.
Give them those 15 minutes they deserve. Everybody is busy. Mom is going to work, father is going to work. Nobody has time. All they can do is, okay, you take this, new tab. Play on this,
Imagine
right?
what you
You
do.
take this phone and
Yeah.
have fun. YouTube dekh lo, ye kar lo, right? But they don't have time for 15 minutes to sit with the child, talk with them, or maybe just take them out.
बिल्कुल. In fact, I'll just point out here, but we'll come back again to that non-negotiable वो. हम क्या करते हैं, मोस्ट ऑफ द पेरेंट्स बच्चे को उठाते हैं. इनफैक्ट हम भी जब छोटे थे शायद ऐसा ही होगा, मुझे नहीं पता, याद नहीं, बट हम बच्चे को उठाते हैं एग्जैक्टली. इफ यू डू रिवर्स इंजीनियरिंग ना, हम उतने टाइम पहले उठाते हैं जितना उसको टाइम चाहिए तैयार होके बस स्टॉप तक पहुंचने के लिए. एंड वन ऑफ द वर्स्ट थिंग्स दैट यू कैन डू इज basically rush your child through this process of getting up, getting ready, and going out. When you do this, there have been numerous studies that have shown जिन बच्चों के साथ इस तरह से किया गया है कि उनको जल्दी जल्दी पहनो, जल्दी करो, जल्दी ब्रश करो, जल्दी नहाओ, जल्दी चलें, बस में सो जाएगी, बस में सो जाएगी, बस में सो जाएगी. And this is not uncommon, right? You must have heard it like an empty number of times, right? It has been seen and very directly related to anxiety disorders later in life.
100%.
And हम 10 चीजें करेंगे अपने बच्चों को अच्छा लाइफ देने के लिए, but this one simple hack, like you said, 15 मिनट पहले उठा लो ना, and just play those 15 minutes with your kid. Lifelong memories. एक और चीज मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ यहाँ पे, when you said अपने बच्चों के लिए करो, आपने इस तरह से बोला कि अपने बच्चों के लिए करो ताकि आप करोगे, आपका बच्चा देखेगा, will learn something from that. Although there's one more aspect, Shivani, अपने बच्चों के लिए करो because your good health is a gift for them.
Exactly.
I mean, if you are in the best of your shape in 50s and 60s, तुम्हारा बच्चा क्या कर सकता है उस टाइम पे without being worried about your health is going to be a blessing for that kid.
I always tell this to my patients that, this is one thing you really need to understand. You're thinking diabetes ही तो है, क्या हो गया? दवाई रोज खा लेते हैं, हो जाता है. And in India, any which ways, it is very normalized.
Yeah.
कि थायराइड है, ये तो नॉर्मल होता है.
Yeah.
डायबिटीज है, ये तो होती ही है आजकल सबको. बीपी की दवाई तो हर कोई खा रहा है ना. एक स्टैटिन पे तो सब लोग ही हैं. सो उनका एक दवाई का जो चार्ट है वो बना हुआ रहता है. ठीक है, तो दे आर वेरी कंफर्टेबल विद दैट ऑल्सो. बट आई टेल देम दैट सी, यू इमेजिन आपका बच्चा अभी अपने क्रूशियल स्टेज पे है, prime time for the career wise also. The person has got married, आपका बच्चे की भी शादी, so he's on the prime thing,
बिल्कुल.
right? और अगर अभी आप बीमार हो जाते हो बार बार, you're going to the hospital, you're unwell, शुगर एकदम शूट अप हो गई है, कार्डियक अरेस्ट हो गया, whatsoever. So imagine उस बच्चे का प्रोडक्टिविटी कितना
बिल्कुल
hamper,
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
right?
बिल्कुल,
और
absolutely.
अगर वो प्रोडक्टिविटी हैम्पर होगी, इट विल इम्पैक्ट द करियर एज वेल.
बिल्कुल. और हमारी सोसाइटी ऐसी है कि वी आर इंटीग्रेटेड सोसाइटी. बच्चे ऐसे नहीं है कि बस मतलब आई एम नॉट अगेंस्ट एनी सोसाइटी, बट या यू गॉट द पॉइंट. बट व्हाट इज दैट वन नॉन नेगोशिएबल थिंग? अगर एक्सरसाइज नहीं कर पा रहे हैं पेरेंट, तो डाइट में ये तो कम से कम मत करो.
ये तो मत करो में यही होगा कि अवॉइड एनीथिंग विच इज पैक्ड,
ओके, दैट्स इंटरेस्टिंग. या.
right? Avoid sugar,
हम्म.
at least white sugar for that matter. See, it doesn't give you anything. It doesn't give you anything. Agar, especially when people are overweight, I'm talking about the parents who are overweight, do not take sugar. ये मत सोचो खांड खा लेते हैं, इसमें तो कुछ होता नहीं है. गुड़, हम तो हमारे यहाँ तो गुड़ की चाय पीते
गुड़
हैं
तो ऐसे है
कि मतलब I have to tell them this thing that see, खांड, sugar, गुड़, इन सब में सेम कैलोरीज होती हैं. ठीक है, इवन इफ यू टॉकिंग अबाउट द आयरन, कि गुड़ में आयरन होता है जी, इससे तो बहुत अच्छा होता है, उसमें इतना कम आयरन होता है कि उससे आपको कोई बेनिफिट नहीं मिल रहा है.
सही बात है.
राइट? सो अवॉइड शुगर. हैव इट मे बी वंस अ वीक, आपने अपनी चाय में पीना है, पियो, लेकिन उस चीनी को छोड़ दो, ताकि आपका बच्चा ना उस बड़ा होके वो टेंशन में ना रहे लाइफ टाइम कि ओवरवेट थे, ओवरवेट होने की वजह से नीज में पेन होना शुरू हो गया, ओवरवेट होने की वजह से विजरल फैट बढ़ गया, विजरल फैट होने की वजह से हाँ, है ना, फैटी लिवर हो गया, फिर पैनक्रियास पे इम्पैक्ट आ गया, एंड सो ऑन, द लिस्ट गोज सो ऑन.
Yeah.
So one thing which you can do for your child now is leave sugar.
Interesting. It's a difficult thing to do.
It is a very difficult thing to do, but it is not something which cannot be done. It is not impossible.
How do we like? Is there some replacement there?
Yeah. Sometimes you take dates,
Mhm.
है ना, समटाइम्स यू टेक रेजन्स, किशमिश आप ले सकते हैं, मुनक्का आप ले सकते हैं, फिग्स आप लीजिए. देन देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड मंक फ्रूट शुगर.
मैं इस पे आने वाला था. अब आजकल ये बहुत ज्यादा एड्स भी दिख रहे हैं. So how good is this?
मंक फ्रूट शुगर इज गुड.
Because I tried stevia way back. Stevia used to leave a aftertaste,
यस.
है ना, एंड इसलिए वो मतलब मेरे घर में तो ये हो गया कि छोड़ो इसे, बिना चीनी के ले लेंगे सब लोग. But lately I tried this monk fruit. I don't want to name the brand, but the consistency was like sugar. I opened the sachet, मैंने अपने मुंह में डाला. अगर मुझे आप नहीं बताओगे तो मुझे वो ग्लूकॉन डी जो हम खाते थे और शुगर का मिक्सचर लगेगा.
राइट.
It was just fantastic. उस दिन रात को my daughter, she loves बेसन का हलवा. I asked my cook to make the बेसन का हलवा with the monk fruit sugar and it was fantastic.
राइट.
Like अगर आप मुझे नहीं बताओगे मैं बताऊंगा भी नहीं इसमें चीनी नहीं है, ये है. So how healthy is that?
It is good. It is good, but what you need to see is there are a lot of brands which are giving monk fruit sugar with erythritol.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we got to avoid those,
Yeah.
especially for kids for that
Yes.
matter, because there have been a lot of studies on erythritol. You must have heard, right?
The dampen the.
So, right. So that's not something which we want to give to our children or our parents for that matter. But there are liquids available in the market, drops available of monk fruit sugar. Those are safe to have. And till now, there has been no study which has shown any adverse effect on the body.
Oh, very good.
Right? So that can be taken. Stevia, again, it's a good alternative, but the only problem is the aftertaste.
Yeah.
Right? For kids, particularly, I would say giving them, dates, those kind of natural
Of
sugar
course,
is
of course.
absolutely fine.
Of course, absolutely.
Right? But not the white sugar. That is the habit, I would say, keep that away from your child. Don't give them sugar, especially in the early times. Because one thing I really want to discuss here, since we are talking about kids and, parents for that matter, to the grandparents particularly, there's one problem which I always see,
Address karo.
right? I always see, and I see the mother particularly struggling with it. I wouldn't name, but there was a patient of mine, husband, wife, they both take diet from me. And the only problem I think she had was she asked me कि बच्चे को क्या खिलाना है अभी, he has become 1 year old and everything. So I told her कि क्या क्या चीज़ें खानी है. She was like, लेकिन मैं ये इसके दादा दादी को कैसे समझाऊं? कुछ भी होता है तो बोलते अरे थोड़ा सा दे दो, नहीं होता, हमने भी तो खिलाया अपने बच्चों को, कुछ नहीं होता. बट सी वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड ADHD
हम्म,
पहले के बच्चों को नहीं था, बट आज ये प्रॉब्लम है. एंड वी नीड टू टॉक अबाउट इट एंड वी नीड टू एड्रेस इट दैट sugar is one of the issues here,
yes, absolutely.
right? So it is very important for our dada dadi, nana nani to understand and our relatives to understand कि अगर मदर बोल रही है कि बच्चे को ये चीज मत दो, आप मत. Maybe give healthier options.
Yeah.
अगर बच्चा रो रहा है, अगर आपको प्यार दिखाना है तो आप घर का कुछ बना हुआ ले आओ, instead of giving chips का पैकेट, टी and those things.
बिल्कुल
So this is something which is very important for us to understand here, because इंडिया में प्यार दिखाने का मतलब है खाना की.
एब्सोल्युटली. और आपने चिप्स का पैकेट और इन सब चीज़ों की बात की, हम शुगर की बात करें, एंड सिंस यू सेड चिप्स का पैकेट, वन चिप्स का पैकेट हैज़ मोर देन योर एंटायर डे का सोडियम लेवल. और आप वो एक, और बच्चा लिटरली 3 मिनट लगाता है उस पैकेट को खत्म करने में.
बिल्कुल आप नहीं कर सकते ना कि आप 2 खा लो और बाकी रख दो.
वो बोलते, इसका डायलॉग भी तो एक,
हाँ, oh
इज्जत से दादे निंदी.
exactly. You will get ruined. Your life would be ruined अगर उस बच्चे ने वो चिप्स का पैकेट देख लिया और आपने नहीं खिलाया रहा. So this one really a request
Yeah.
to to our grandparents for that matter, that please do not spoil those kids with the sugar.
इनफैक्ट पता है, जब हम छोटे थे तो मतलब जो मेरे पेरेंट्स थे वो अपनी स्टोरी बताते थे. वो बोलते थे कि एक चॉकलेट आती थी घर में और बहुत दिनों तक चलती थी. जब हम छोटे थे तो 5 रुपए की एक चॉकलेट आती थी, वो इतनी होती थी, और वो भी ऐसा होता था कि यू विल बी प्रॉब्ली शेयरिंग इट विद योर सिबलिंग, ठीक है. और इट वाज नॉट अ डेली अफेयर, एटलीस्ट मेरे सिनेरियो में तो नहीं था उस टाइम पे. Today, the availability of these fast e-commerce, the shops around, the everything around, I think दिन में ये एपिसोड एक बार ही नहीं होता, ये दिन में मल्टीपल टाइम्स होता है कि कोई ना कोई पैम्पर करके बच्चे को कुछ ना कुछ खिलाई देगा. Imagine the magnitude of damage that we are actually causing.
Exactly. And I see childhood obesity.
Oh, yeah.
I see early menarche.
Yeah,
that,
lots
that,
of-
that has become a new problem.
it is.
I mean, you see 8-year girl, 7-year girl, they're getting their first period and they don't even know about it. They're not ready for it, not mentally, not physically.
बिल्कुल, your hormones are like being thrashed because of all of this. So speaking of, and since you were already telling that this is also your specialty, thyroid and other, I want to talk a little bit about thyroid here. Especially with parents who have thyroid disorders, is there any particular diet जो आप बोलते हो कि यार ये लेना चाहिए, ये नहीं लेना चाहिए? And इसी के साथ I want to address one big fad of pink salt or Himalayan salt versus your table salt or iodized salt.
Right. So, see, again with thyroid, you see hypothyroidism, gestational hypothyroidism. With most of the women, the first time they have thyroid is during their pregnancy.
Yeah.
उससे पहले उनको शायद नहीं पता होता है,
Yeah.
मदर को था या कभी किसी और को था. So that happens. Why? Because there's a havoc of hormones going inside and a lot of changes are happening and it impacts. So बहुत सारे cases में once you deliver, that gets better. So everything gets normal. But जिनके साथ नहीं होता है. So for thyroid, I always say इसके around भी बहुत सारे fads हैं. I see a lot of people leaving cruciferous vegetables totally.
Okay.
बिल्कुल broccoli नहीं खानी है, बिल्कुल cabbage, cauliflower सब छोड़ देना है. It doesn't work like this. I really want to break this myth here for your viewers also. You can have these vegetables.
Okay.
ठीक है, कैसे? By cooking them. Most of the times when you cook these vegetables, the goitrogens are removed.
Yeah.
Right? So they are all safe to eat. आप इनको नहीं खाकर अपना न्यूट्रिशन इम्पैक्ट कर रहे हैं. You will क्या खाओगे उसके बाद? आलू टमाटर, आलू गोभी, आलू मटर, आलू
बिल्कुल.
जो हमारे यहाँ होता है, right?
Yes.
So do not leave cruciferous vegetables,
Mhm.
but limit them.
Yeah.
Right? Cook them well. Do not eat them raw. Right? Second thing is make sure that there is enough selenium in your diet. That's one of the crucial mineral which is important for your thyroid.
Selenium किस में मिलता है?
Selenium बहुत अच्छी डोज में अगर मैं बोलूँ तो ब्राज़िल नट्स एक नट्स आते हैं मार्केट में, वेरी इजीली अवेलेबल. यू टेक 2 ऑफ देम, योर होल डे ऑफ सेलेनियम रिक्वायरमेंट इज फुलफिल्ड.
बट ये तो अब कौन जाके लाएगा, तो हम जो रेगुलर खाते हैं उसमें
उसमें यू टेक योर नॉर्मल सीड्स एंड नट्स, उसमें आपको सेलेनियम मिल जाता है. यू टेक योगर्ट, उसमें आपको सेलेनियम मिल जाता है. इन चीज़ों से आप पूरा कर सकते हो. बट
Okay.
ब्राज़िल नट्स इजीली अवेलेबल हैं ऑल ओवर इंडिया.
Okay.
आपको 2 मिनट में ब्लिंकिट पे भी मिल जाते हैं.
Oh, perfect.
So those would really help a
Right.
lot.
I think my wife took them during her pregnancy. ऐसा कुछ होता है क्या?
हो सकता है, ले सकते हैं, right? And the third thing is work on your gut.
Okay.
With most of the people, thyroid is also impacted with the inflammation of your gut.
Mm-hmm.
So take good amount of probiotics and prebiotics.
Okay.
Make sure that your stress is managed. See, if your cortisol is not managed, it will impact your thyroid gland as well.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So you need to work on all the other things as well.
Okay.
So work on your mindfulness. As I said, मॉर्निंग में उठते हो जब थोड़ा सा भी स्ट्रेचिंग करोगे, थोड़ी सी डीप ब्रीदिंग करोगे, खाना खाते टाइम फोन नहीं चलाओ, खाना खाने से पहले थोड़ा सा ब्रीथ करो ताकि बॉडी पैरासिम्पैथेटिक में रहे.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
है ना?
बिल्कुल.
तो दोज थिंग्स इफेक्ट योर थायराइड. इसके अलावा और कुछ ऐसा नहीं है कि जो कि आपका थायराइड खराब किसी पर्टिकुलर चीज से हो रहा है. It is the regular thing which we are doing, it impacts all the other hormones.
That makes
Right?
sense actually. Yeah.
And then when you said about salt,
Mm-hmm.
so you are very right about it. It's actually a fad and a big myth here. Everybody is switching to pink salt. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था बीच में जिससे भी मैं मिल रही थी, हमने तो सफेद नमक बंद कर दिया है. हमने तो white salt हटा दिया.
And एक वो you know they feel proud about this.
They feel proud about it, right? But the problem is वो iodized salt एक रीजन के वजह से आया था. If you
Yes.
go look into the history, वो आया इसलिए था because a lot of people were having goiter and all issues, right? तो इसीलिए ही white salt शुरू किया था, iodized salt शुरू किया था. So take that in your normal vegetables, your dals and normal sabzis. And in case if you're taking fruits or salads और आपको salt का शौक है, तो आप उसमें पिंक सॉल्ट डालिए.
बिल्कुल.
क्योंकि पिंक सॉल्ट्स में नो मैटर कितने भी न्यूट्रिएंट्स हैं, it is nothing. It is negligible.
मतलब वो ट्रेस हैं बहुत.
Right? So then those are trace minerals. So they are not giving you any benefit.
Mm-hmm.
So always switch to white salt. Do not take pink salt for your regular cooking.
Yes. In fact, one of the reason why people take pink salt versus normal white salt, table salt is sodium content. बोलते हैं इसमें सोडियम कम है. I would like to tell इतना डिफरेंस नहीं है सोडियम का. इफ़ यू रीड द वैल्यूज उसकी अराउंड 1600 आती है, उसकी अराउंड 2000 to 2200 आती है. जब आप इसको एक्चुअल कंजम्पशन लेवल पे सोचते हैं तो इतना डिफरेंस नहीं आता है. दूसरी चीज़ लाइक यू मेंशन्ड अबाउट दैट ग्वाइटर एंड क्यों, अब मुझे पता नहीं है कि अब लोगों को याद भी है बिकॉज देयर वाज अ टाइम बैक इन द हिस्ट्री जब लोगों को, आई एम जस्ट रिपीटिंग योर एपिसोड, आई एम पैराकोटिंग यू, जब लोगों को गले में स्वेलिंग्स हो जाते थे एंड दे वर कॉल्ड गोइटर्स एंड गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने देखा कि यार ये तो बहुत ही बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है तो इसको कैसे सॉल्व करें. दे सर्च फॉर अ फूड जो हर इंसान खाता है
Right.
एंड सॉल्ट वाज वन ऑफ देम एंड दे ट्राई टू आयोडाइज द सॉल्ट. By that, they were able to reduce the rate of goiter to really almost negligible. अगर हम इसको नहीं करेंगे, आयोडीन जनरली नहीं मिलता है बाकी चीज़ों से. सो इट्स अ हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट, डू नॉट बॉयकॉट salt as such for pink salt.
And
And
moreover,
very correctly, you've put the sprinkle on the salad and the
right.
yeah.
And moreover, it is very important to understand that if you're thinking about the sodium content, look at the food which you're consuming in
हाँ वो
packets.
पैकेट चिप्स को, हाँ बिल्कुल, प्रोसेस्ड फूड्स आर लाइक
Even
सोडियम बॉम्ब्स.
matter when you eat that packet of biscuit, उसमें
हम्म,
कितना
हाँ
sodium है,
हाँ
nobody
बिल्कुल.
looks into it,
इवन
right?
पैकेज केक जिसमें आपको सॉल्ट का टेस्ट भी नहीं आ रहा है उसमें भी. बिल्कुल, एब्सोल्युटली. You know, another very important thing and is very undermined is हमारी घर की थाली. You know how ancestrally we were having this thali and it had all the components. आपने you started with like how important is that thali and how scientific was that thali?
So if you can think of that थाली, अभी
हम्म,
जो मैं एक normal household में देखती हूँ, there's a dal, there's aloo or something का सब्जी, then there would be some rice, there would be chapati, there would be some dahi, there would be papad, और of course मीठा तो चाहिए meals को, right? That was a high energy थाली. that was a high calorie thali. Why? Because earlier people were working hard in the fields,
Yes.
राइट? पहले अगर आप हमारे दादा नाना और पुराने टाइम में जाओगे, वो लोग फील्ड्स पे काम करते थे, राइट? या फिर अगर वो काम कर रहे हैं तो वो मेहनत का काम करते थे. दे यूज्ड टू बर्न अ लॉट ऑफ कैलोरीज. इट वाज नॉट प्लान्ड कि सेडेंटरी लाइफ के लिए
Yeah, it was
खाओ,
physical labor.
राइट? इट वाज फिजिकल लेबर, बट दैट थाली कैन नॉट बी टेकन नाउ.
Hmm.
So yes, it was good for that period of time because those people were doing more physical labor, they were burning more calories. But if you see, अगर गौरव जी अगर आप आज वो थाली खा रहे हो, so only thing it will help you with would be increasing your visceral fat. सिर्फ आपका पेट बढ़ेगा उससे.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
Because what we are doing is we are just sitting throughout the day.
Yeah.
We're sitting and talking and managing patients or clients for that matter, or talking to people, right?
Yes.
So those thalis were good, but for that time, those were energy dense thalis.
Yep.
Protein, if you see, again it was low.
Okay. Okay. Right. And I wanted to talk about, particularly in thalis, there had always been a concept ancestrally also to keep something fermented.
Yes.
कुछ पिकल्ड फॉर्मेट में होता था, कुछ कहीं कांजी बनती है, कहीं पे कुछ. So how important is that?
Yes. So I feel that Indians know about nutrition before nutrition actually started as a chapter and studies and everything,
So true.
right? They knew it before that. So if you talk about in Japanese people eat kimchi.
Yeah.
We were eating before that.
Hmm.
Or I would say we were also eating it before. Just that we didn't know the name.
Oh, okay.
ठीक है, अगर आप देखोगे कांजी बनती थी, उसके अंदर जो कैरेट्स होती थी, वेजिटेबल्स होती थी, वो बाद में खाई जाती थी. व्हाट वाज दैट? दैट वाज फर्मेंटेड वेजिटेबल, राइट? इसके अलावा इफ यू टॉक अबाउट अचार, अभी जो अचार मार्केट में आते हैं या फिर उनका शेल्फ लाइफ इंक्रीज करने के लिए रखा जाता है, देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ सॉल्ट एंड लॉट ऑफ ऑयल इन देम.
Yes.
बट अभी भी मेरे घर पे मेरी दादी माँ अचार जो बनाती हैं, इट डजंट हैव अ लॉट ऑफ सॉल्ट एंड ऑयल इन इट. इट्स वेरी लेस ऑयल, लेस सॉल्ट अचार, जो कि हम कुछ दिन के लिए खाते हैं, देन शी मेक्स इट अगेन.
Small batches.
Small batches, right? लेकिन commercially, people have started doing it and now it has become a problem for people.
Yes.
Otherwise, achar was never a problem. It
Yeah.
helps you digest food,
Right.
right?
Right.
So definitely probiotics, they are natural probiotics for us, which were already there in our routine.
Yes. So can you tell a little bit about probiotics? Since we're talking about probiotic, and probiotic is such an important thing. Let me frame it this way. कुछ probiotics हमारे खाने में और कुछ probiotics हम ऐसी चीज़ों में ले लेते हैं जो ओवर द शेल्फ मिल रहा है, लाइक आपके सुपरमार्केट में, आपके ब्लिंकेट्स वगैरह पे, और कुछ प्रोबायोटिक्स आपको केमिस्ट शॉप पे मिल रहे हैं. सो आपके डेली खाने में आपके ड्रिंक्स लाइक kombuchas और केफिर or those small bottles, I don't want to again say the brand name there, the small fermented milk bottles that come. And the third one is your capsules of different strains, different CFUs. So can you divide the three parts and कौन सा लेना चाहिए, कौन सा नहीं लेना चाहिए, etc etc.
First I'll say कौन सा नहीं लेना चाहिए. Those milk bottles.
Okay.
For God's sake, avoid them.
Mhm.
That is nothing less than a sugar bomb,
Yes.
if I say in the correct words.
But then they did something else and they came out with the sugar-free version also recently.
And think about how they are actually transporting it. See, for all these things, you need to maintain a temperature.
Yeah,
For
they
the
are
microorganisms.
they are live organisms.
They are live organisms. So you need to maintain a temperature.
Mm-hmm.
And you think that यहाँ से अगर वो they're coming from the manufacturing unit
Yeah.
to the supplier to the
Yeah,
supermarket,
there's so much of transport chain.
right?
You know?
So you cannot manage it. But because celebrities are promoting it, it is definitely helping.
Yeah.
That's what people think, right? So एक तो वो बहुत जरूरी है, right? So same ways अगर कोई बोल रहा है ये खाने से ये हो जाएगा, तो it's not gonna happen.
Absolutely.
You got to do your own research, right? Then comes the normal food में जो probiotics होते हैं. See, we say curd is a very good source of probiotic, but let me break a myth here. It doesn't have the amount of curd you're consuming, उसमें इतना सारा probiotic आपको नहीं मिल रहा है कि it's gonna do some wonder change.
Okay.
अगर आपका पेट खराब है, if somebody is having loose motions, आपको probiotic doctor suggested लेना ही पड़ेगा,
Okay.
because that is the need of the hour.
You're right.
सिर्फ दही खाने से नहीं हो जाएगा.
So and also I would like to tell here क्योंकि लोग ना कोई से भी कैप्सूल्स ले लेते हैं, कितने भी, कोई इनफैक्ट दे बूस्ट अबाउट कि ये तो यार ज्यादा CFUs थे, 50 billion CFUs थे, 30, we are taking that one. Do not do that. There had been really bad experiences. अगर आप capsules ले रहे हो, make sure that your doctor prescribes them. And also for different sort of diarrheas, there are different form of probiotics that are given. So just a disclaimer there.
Right.
But yes, going back to
Right. So that is why I said कि you need to ask your doctor for that.
yeah.
But yes, your curd, your kimchi, your sauerkraut, or for that matter kanji, ये सब चीजें जो है वो आपको regular help के लिए they are very good.
So like in your daily routine, if you can imbibe that.
Yes, right? Then comes milk वाला. I've already said no to that.
Yep.
वो तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं लेना है.
बिल्कुल.
And then comes जो आपको chemist में मिलते हैं. जो chemist में मिलते हैं, just don't go and ask for a product and have it.
Mhm.
Instead, always take it after talking to your doctor,
Yeah.
because that would be prescribed as per your problem,
Right.
right? So that needs to be taken.
Like we were talking about. But I want to talk particularly about kombucha because it's such a fad these days and everybody wants to have it. It's also easily available. Also, I feel बीच में मैं ऐसे करने लगा था, like कुछ और के बजाय, if I want to drink something with my food, I will take half a bottle of kombucha, share it with somebody. So is that a good thing to do?
Yes, kefir, kombucha, these are not bad.
Okay.
These can be taken. That's not an issue. But yeah, again, I would say don't take it every day.
But they're sweet. Like where's the sweetness coming from? Sugar only, right?
Well, how do you think the microorganisms are going to work on?
Yeah.
Right? So there would be sugar, but that is why I said limit the quantity.
Okay.
Don't take it every day. As you said, sometimes if you're going out and you see this as an option, you can always take it.
Okay.
That's not an issue.
Okay.
But you cannot take it on a daily basis. For daily basis, stick to the traditional probiotics we have in our diet.
Like the curds and the
Right.
sounds good. हम लोग घर पे होते हैं, बहुत बार ऐसा मन करता है to munch onto something. Give me just 3 things that you can make at home, keep them in the jars, and they're handy for you.
Very easy. You take makhanas, but don't go overboard with it.
But हो जाता है ना, मखाना तो are like popcorns sometimes.
So that's why I added this disclaimer as I don't go overboard with it.
Okay.
Right? So you can take makhanas, you can always take roasted chanas. You can take dry fruit laddu for that matter. This is one thing I tell everybody to have sham ko.
Can you give a
Take-
quick recipe of dry fruit?
Sure. Just take 200 gram each
Hmm.
of your almonds, walnuts, cashews, pista, roast them, keep them aside, then take around 150 gram of dates,
Hmm.
deep it them, then blend them, add a teaspoon of ghee, add all the dry nuts, broken,
Hmm.
and then make a laddu out of it.
Oh,
So you
that's
don't
easy,
have
huh?
any nasty thing in there.
And you know what all you've put in.
Right?
Wow.
So no nasty ingredient. It will be perfect for your evening snack kind of a thing,
Mhm.
because that's when you feel like eating something.
And you end up doing galat kaam at
Right.
that time,
And
right?
through this you get fat. So
Yeah.
fat always gives you satiety,
Of course.
right? So there would be fats, there would be something meetha, and it
Mhm.
will be perfect for you to go.
But what is the shelf life of these laddus, if I
They
may
are
ask?
easily kept for a month.
Yeah, because there's nothing we are putting in that is bad,
Right.
right? Abhi recently, Shivani, pata chala hai, like there's a change in the guidelines. Initially, the level was 6 for pre-diabetes. Now the level has come down to 5.6, if I'm not wrong. I still have to check. बहुत सारे मेरी एज के पेरेंट्स, हम फ्रेंड्स जब खेलते हैं कुछ, तो we talk about this. A lot of them are being diagnosed now in pre-diabetic phase. क्या एडवाइस है आपको, आपकी उन लोगों के लिए?
You know, when you have already come to 5.7, your body is already struggling.
Mhm.
Let me be very clear about it. People think,
Oh, we are talking about HbA1c here.
Yeah.
Okay.
right? So with pre-diabetes, the major issue is लोगों को लगता है अरे अभी तो pre-diabetes है ना, अभी हुई थोड़ी है.
बिल्कुल.
But they need to understand that the body, the organs are already struggling. इसीलिए ये 5.7 या 5.6 तक भी आया है.
Mhm.
So you should always take it as an alarm. You know, that red button should always, click. That now you need to really work upon yourself. So the first thing when you see that your HbA1c levels are rising is fix your lifestyle.
Okay.
So how? After every meal, particularly your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner, take a quick 10 minutes walk.
Okay.
Talk to someone, just, move your body. You got to do it. हर कोई कर सकता है.
हाँ.
After main meals. So that will help you with your sugar spike.
Okay. Yeah, it does.
Right? So that's one. People who cannot walk, then just sit and there's this exercise with your calf muscles,
Mhm.
which helps.
Yes.
Right? So that's one thing. Second thing is start your day with fat.
Mm-hmm.
पहले लोग जो बादाम से they used to soak almonds and walnuts, there was a reason behind it.
Yeah.
है ना? You get fats out of them and fats help you stabilize your sugar levels.
Yes.
Right? So take almonds, take walnuts. अपने मम्मी पापा की बात सुनो. Right?
Really.
Take a teaspoon of good quality ghee if you can take. That will help you stabilize your blood sugar levels in the morning
Okay.
or throughout the day. So which will lesser the cravings.
Oh, wow.
Have good amount of protein in your breakfast.
Okay.
खाली पोहा खा के मत जाओ. जो कि एक नॉर्मल ब्रेकफास्ट हमारे यहाँ होता है पोहा उपमा, इट इज व्हाट इट इज सिंपल कार्बोहाइड्रेट.
Yes, yes.
उसमें सब्जी भी तब डल जाती है कि जब आज टाइम है और सब्जी कट सकती है.
बिल्कुल.
इंस्टेड पोहा खा रहे हो, पोहा के अंदर स्प्राउट्स ऐड कर दो. मूंग दाल का चीला खा लो. उपमा खा रहे हो, उसमें सोया नगट्स ऐड कर दो.
Yep.
दाल ऐड कर दो थोड़ी ज्यादा. राइट?
Yep.
सो दैट वे इट कैन बी ऑलवेज मैनेज्ड.
Wow.
फाइबर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. पूरा दिन में यू गॉट टू हैव एटलीस्ट 40 ग्राम्स अराउंड फाइबर. तो उतना फाइबर खाने के लिए सिर्फ ये नहीं है कि आप सिर्फ सैलेड्स पूरा दिन खाओ.
इनफैक्ट सैलेड्स में उतना फाइबर होता
भी नहीं है. एग्जैक्टली दैट्स व्हाट आई वाज कमिंग ऑन कि सिर्फ ये नहीं सोचो कि मैंने तो सैलेड खा लिया था, मम्मी ने एक खीरा काट के दिया था या फिर मैंने खुद से किया था. दैट इज डन. दैट इज नॉट गोना गिव यू द अमाउंट ऑफ फाइबर यू रिक्वायर. Right? So add oatmeal in your diet. Have a teaspoon of chia seeds in your diet. Those help you with your fiber quantity.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Have sweet potato.
Mm-hmm.
It helps you with fiber. So add those sort of things in your routine.
Okay.
Take apple cider vinegar if you can start with. It really helps you because there have been a lot of myth also related to apple cider vinegar, but the research say it helps you to manage your insulin resistance. So
What was the myth around that?
that it helps you with weight loss.
Oh, okay.
People were, they were taking apple cider vinegar like anything.
हाँ.
सुबह शाम दोपहर दिन कि इससे कुछ पैचिक हो जाए.
वो myth है क्या?
It cannot help you quickly.
हाँ, of course. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So if you are not into calorie deficit, nothing in the world can help you to lose weight, right? So we got to understand that first. So start taking that before your meals. It will again help you to manage your sugar.
Okay.
And your cravings for that matter.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right?
आपने वेट लॉस की बात करी, आपने कैलोरी डेफिसिट की बात करी. कैन यू जस्ट एक्सप्लेन दिस कॉन्सेप्ट जस्ट फॉर द पीपल हु, एंड आई थिंक दिस इज द वेरी बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट, इट्स प्योरली मैथमेटिकल.
Right.
So if you can just
Definitely. So see, when you talk about weight loss, you got to eat less than what your body actually requires.
Yeah.
Right? So eventually when we start with it, usually people go on a fat diet like a 1000 calories diet, जो कि काफी difficult हो जाता है, and that gives a lot of shock to your body and it does impact a lot of things in your body.
Yeah.
बहुत सारे लोगों के केस में they have hormonal issues related because of that.
Yeah.
Because on reducing calories very fast, right? So eventually you should start with reducing 200, 300 calories in your diet, and that way whatever your body starts using the energy from inside.
Yeah.
So when I say inside, what I mean is the glycogen stores,
The fat basically sort.
the energy which your liver has stored,
Yeah.
and then eventually it will start using the fat. तो fat तो बहुत दूर में आता
दूर
है,
की बात.
लेकिन पहले it will start using the glycogen
Yes.
required, right?
Yeah.
So that is how it has to be taken care of.
Okay. So the deficit is the key over there. Yes. People these days have started reporting of blood pressure, very like high blood pressure at a very younger age. Are there any foods that are really helping in blood pressure?
See, for blood pressure, one thing is when the sodium is quite high.
Mm-hmm.
That is one of the things, right?
Yeah.
So, you got to reduce the amount of processed food in the diet.
Okay.
So, when I say processed is जो भी चीज़ आपके पास पैक होके आ रही है, जो एक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में जाके प्रोसेस होकर आई है और उसके बाद पैक हो रही है, क्योंकि इफ यू सी किसी भी चीज़ को प्रिजर्व करने के लिए इधर शुगर विल बी यूज्ड और
Salt will
Salt.
be used.
तो दैट इज वन थिंग. जो भी आपके सॉल्टेड ड्राई फ्रूट्स, सॉल्टेड पीनट्स, which is
Mhm.
like everybody's favorite
Yes,
thing in
yes,
India,
yes,
right?
yes. and also considered a little healthier compared to other
हाँ,
options.
if you talk about one thing, diet mixture. जैसे ही लोग डाइट पे जाते हैं, लोग डाइट मिक्सचर खाना शुरू कर देते हैं नॉर्मल आलू भुजिया की जगह. बट इफ यू सी द सोडियम in that, it is more than what the normal aloo bhujia has,
Okay.
right? So you got to be a little aware of what you're putting into your body.
Yeah.
है ना?
Label
That's-
reading needs to be.
Right.
Yeah.
Then include foods that are rich in potassium.
Yeah.
Because we always talk about sodium potassium
Yeah.
buffer, right? So make sure that you start your day with the coconut water. नारियल पानी से दिन शुरू करो. That will help you out. Then include more and more fiber in your diet. That will help you. Water has to be taken care of. पानी नहीं पी रहे हो तो और ज्यादा water retain होगा, तो सोडियम वाला इशू और ज्यादा बढ़ेगा.
Right.
Right?
Right.
So if the person takes care of these things, it can be managed. High BP कोई ऐसी problem नहीं है कि जो manage नहीं हो सकती है.
Perfect. Perfect.
Right?
Are there any also food since high cholesterol is mostly goes correlated with high blood pressure because of the atherosclerosis on the vessels. तो कुछ ऐसे भी फूड आइटम्स हैं जो आपके बॉडी फैट जो एथीरोस्क्लेरोसिस हो जाता है वेसल्स के अंदर जो फैट डिपोजिशन हो जाता है उसको लोअर डाउन कर पाए.
Fenugreek seeds.
Okay.
So include those in the diet. Those would definitely help.
How does one include that?
In the morning maybe. Once you get up, or you can sprout it. That is the easier way to consume. So you just जैसे हम नॉर्मल दाल्स को स्प्राउट करते हैं इसी तरीके से यू स्प्राउट फेन्यूग्रीक सीड्स, मेथी दाना जो होता है. सो उससे क्या होता है, द बिटरनेस रिड्यूसेस, वो कड़वापन नहीं लगेगा. एंड देन यू कैन ऐड इट इन योर एनी फूड और सैलेड्स मे बी फॉर दैट मैटर.
Right.
So it is high in all the nutrients. It will help you to manage your cholesterol as well. Second thing is, with most of the people, the problem is cholesterol तो हमारा 70% liver ही बना रहा है.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
बाहर से जो आप ले रहे हो वो तो फूड जो है वो तो बहुत कम इम्पैक्ट कर रहा है.
Right.
सो अभी दिक्कत क्या हो गई थी, इफ यू सी फॉर लास्ट 5-10 years नाउ पीपल हैव बिकम अवेयर, दे हैव स्टॉप्ड हैविंग फैट्स इन एनी फॉर्म. यू नो the fear mongering and everything, it impacted so much कि तेल नहीं ले रहे हैं, ऑयल ले रहे हैं, तो they are taking olive oil and they're cooking food in olive oil and feeling कि oh we are doing a great job doing it, right? घी खाना बंद कर दिया है. So when you are taking less of the good fats in the diet, your liver will definitely increase the production of it,
And therefore fatty livers, like,
right? High cholesterol for that matter.
yeah.
So those things, HDL जो लोगों का, आप इंडियंस का कभी भी रिपोर्ट्स देखेंगे,
Sure.
their LDL
कम
would be
होगा.
high and their HDL would be always below 30,
Yeah.
right?
Most-
So the reason is they're not taking good quality fats. और आधे लोगों को वो वहम हो जाता है कि वो तो नॉनवेज होती है जो फिश ऑयल कैप्सूल्स है. So for them I really want to tell that there are algae supplements also,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Those are high in omega-3 and they provide you with good amount of EPA and DHA.
Yes. So there are vegetarian options available for omega-3s and it's highly advisable for people to take it after consultation, of course,
Right.
with your doctors. But having that said, हमने बीपी की बात करी, हमने डायबिटीज की बात करी, हमने ओबेसिटी की भी बात करी. एक एजिंग एक नेचुरल प्रोसेस है. व्हाट आर द 3 मिस्टेक्स दैट यू कॉमनली सी इन पेरेंट्स आफ्टर 40 years of age? जो कर ही रहे हैं, मतलब वो इतनी डेविस्टेटिंग नहीं है बट वो है और बहुत सिंपल है, बहुत बेसिक है और उसे हमें बदलना चाहिए.
See one, sugar.
हम्म.
शुगर आप थोड़े दिनों के लिए छोड़ के देखो, you'll see the difference on your face.
तो इसको कुछ हम एक चैलेंज की तरह आप क्रिएट कर सकते हो कि हाँ, लाइक 5-day चैलेंज. एंड ऑफ कोर्स we are not talking for diabetic people here. We're talking about the people who are not diabetic, who does not have other comorbidities. So कुछ
Yes, of course, why not? Weekly, you'd have sugar on your weekends.
okay,
Maybe when you're going out.
okay.
Try to not have white sugar for at least 5-6 days. So that way you can reduce, right? Instead of having fruit juices, stick to fruits. So that way you'll have your fiber also. Otherwise, when you're taking fruit juices, well, can you think of eating 5 mossambi at once?
No way.
Right? आप नहीं खा पाओगे. बट अगर आपको वो 1 ग्लास जूस मिल रहा है मौसम्बी का, उसके अंदर 5 मौसम्बी का सिर्फ शुगर है. It's a juice.
Yeah.
So you're taking it once. Imagine the calories you're consuming. Imagine the sugar you're consuming.
Yes.
और उसमें भी हमें तो बिना मसाले के अच्छा नहीं लगता है.
Also.
तो वो नमक भी डाल के लेंगे. Right? So those basic small changes are required.
They play
right?
role.
Then another thing which I see with people once they turn 40 is, which I tell them to do is, take enough protein.
Mm-hmm.
See, every woman after 30, she loses 1% of her muscle mass,
Yeah.
right? Every year.
Yeah.
So that is already happening,
Mm-hmm.
right? And then the diet which you're consuming is again low on protein. So you're losing a lot of muscle. And then, they say, hair fall शुरू हो गया. Hair fall क्यों शुरू हुआ है? प्रोटीन ही नहीं होगा डाइट में तो hair fall तो होगा ही ना.
Keep focus on your protein.
You need to focus on your protein. That's very, very important.
Since you were talking about the dabbas and the shakes and the powders of, protein powders, what is your take on protein powders for regular people? When I say regular people, I basically mean जो जिम में जाते हैं, जो या जाते हैं तो बहुत लाइट एक्सरसाइज करते हैं.
सी ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको प्रोटीन तभी चाहिए जब आप जिम जा रहे हो. दैट्स वन कंसेप्ट आई वांट टू क्लियर.
या
आपको प्रोटीन पाउडर की रिक्वायरमेंट तब है जब आप अपने डाइट से प्रोटीन नहीं फुलफिल कर पा रहे हैं.
आपके एक्सपीरियंस में डाइट फुलफिल कर के थ्रू हम फुलफिल कर सकते हैं?
बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं. सो there are a lot of people who are very strict about it, that we are not going to take any dabba wala protein.
Yeah.
There's a client of mine, she's from Bangalore. She does proper strength training for 5 days in a week, right? But she's very considerate about it, that I'm not going to take any protein powder. मुझे diet से पूरा करके दो आप. So I have to, of course, it has its own cons, of course, right? Because digestion gets a bigger problem. क्योंकि इंडिया में तो जैसे प्रोटीन बढ़ाओ डाइट में वैसे ब्लोटिंग शुरू हो जाती है. So first you need to work on the gut and then you increase the protein, but that way it can be managed. That's one thing. Second, yes, protein powders can be taken. There's no I won't say कि नहीं लेना चाहिए या बंद कर दो या कुछ भी इस तरह से. You should know कि उसके अंदर क्या ingredients है. I always tell this to people, that when you go and look for some sort of a supplement like a protein powder, a collagen or XYZ, always see the ingredient list.
Okay.
If the ingredient list is too long and you're unable to understand anything, drop it off. But it is short, it means it is clean. The shorter the list behind, the cleaner the product is.
Which is true, yeah.
Right? Because then otherwise you're just adding a lot of fillers into it.
Yeah.
है ना?
Like abhi recently there's this brand, uska naam hi aisa hai, and very nicely they have done their packaging. Like there are 4 sides of any box. On every side there'll be just one ingredient what they put inside the box. This is so nicely done. I'm going to come to a very interesting question here. Beer belly. And just for the record, jinka पेट आगे होता है, who have those bellies, and they're called beer belly, is not only happening because of the beer, right? It's just how it's said. But if someone has a beer belly, सबसे पहला आप क्या बोलते हो, that whether the person should curtail on alcohol or the food part or the exercise part? I know obviously तीनों goes hand in hand.
हाँ, but as you said beer belly, so first of all तो मुझे beer के लिए ही बंद करना पड़ेगा, right? तो I wouldn't say बंद कर दो, but I would say reduce the quantity,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
Because when you see people, I see people regularly who take beer, they lose control of how much quantity they are consuming.
Yeah.
Right? So we usually say if you want to take alcohol, better switch to a gin or some white spirit.
Right.
Because A, the calories would be less, and B, if you take it with water or that kind of a thing, it helps you.
Okay.
It helps you
hydration.
not in any health condition, but it will help you to manage your calorie count.
Right.
Right. So that's one thing. Secondly, would be, of course, start with some sort of physical activity. That is very important, because if you see, more than beer belly, it is an Indian male belly pattern. If you see, right? If you see any uncle roaming in the park, एक ग्रुप ऑफ अंकल्स होता है जो रोज पार्क में चक्कर लगाते हैं, वो पूरे पतले होते हैं बट उनका एक पेट सिर्फ मोटा होता है.
And which is the worst form of obesity.
Exactly, right? Because that's where all the problems start. है ना? They have fatty liver, they end up having diabetes, that becomes very common.
Yeah.
And they don't even realize that.
And they don't have muscle mass.
They don't have
mostly.
muscle mass. Right? So for that matter, when it comes to diet, again, The same things. I always say it's always basic with everybody. You know, you want to lose weight, you want to manage your diabetes, you want to manage your fatty liver. There is a basic thing which you need to follow. If you do it, you'll get results.
Actually, right. In fact, पता है जो आपने form of obesity बताया ना, which is like the central obesity शायद इसको बोलते हैं,
Right.
इसका लिंक कार्डियोवैस्कुलर इवेंट से सबसे ज्यादा है.
सबसे ज्यादा है.
ठीक है, सो या एंड पता है एक और चीज होती है इन मतलब बहुत सारे लोग जो बाकी सारी जगह से पतले होते हैं एंड सेंट्रली ओबीज होते हैं, दे सेट इन दिस टोन, अरे यार बाकी सारी जगह से तो है ही नहीं, हम मोटे ही नहीं है, बाकी सिर्फ यहीं पे रह गया है, वो रह नहीं गया, वो था ही और वो चलता ही जा रहा है. सो या आई मीन दैट इज वेयर इट शुड बी टेकन. आई ऑल्सो वांट टू टॉक अबाउट, आपने ना स्टार्ट किया था ब्रेकफास्ट से, आपने बोला उठो और ब्रेकफास्ट कर लो. बहुत सारे लोग दैट आई नो आर ऑन इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग and mostly they don't take their breakfast. They start their meals from the lunch and go until 8 or 9 o'clock for the dinner. At least Indian context में तो मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों का ये वाला पैटर्न देखा है, 16 hours of fasting, 8 hours eating window, but they follow this pattern. What is your take on intermittent fasting?
Intermittent fasting is a lifestyle.
Mm-hmm.
I don't find it as a fad or a diet,
Yeah.
right? If you follow circadian rhythm,
Mm-hmm.
if you go into the ancient times, people used to eat with sunrise and end their day with sunset,
Yes.
right?
Yep.
तो अगर हम तब की बात करते हैं तो जब आपका सनराइज होता है उसके बाद यू डू योर थिंग्स एंड उसके बाद आप अपना फर्स्ट मील लेते हो एंड देन यू एंड इट बाय सनसेट,
Right.
यानी कि एटलीस्ट 12-14 घंटे आपको ऑलरेडी फास्टिंग होती है.
Right. Right.
अगर आप इफ यूल सी modern problem, same solution but a modern name to it.
Yeah.
मॉडर्न प्रॉब्लम क्या था, हम कभी भी उठ रहे हैं,
हाँ.
कभी भी खा रहे हैं, रात को 11 बजे भी खा रहे हैं, रात को 1 बजे भी खा रहे हैं अगर पार्टी में है तो.
Yes.
That was the problem. So the fasting window was very less. So morning you're getting up with a reflux.
Yeah.
Morning you're getting up with headache.
Yeah.
So the modern solution came as intermittent fasting. But our people were doing it earlier.
Yeah.
And that was circadian rhythm management.
Makes sense. Makes sense.
Like if you even now also you see Jain people, वो लोग sunset से पहले खा लेते हैं.
खा लेते हैं.
So they are already doing fasting. They're not doing nothing fancy.
Right.
It's just the name which has come down. Another thing which I want to address here is intermittent fasting is not for all. It is not for everyone.
Mm-hmm.
People who have diabetes should avoid,
Yeah.
right? They cannot do a lot of fasting.
Yeah.
Secondly, particularly women, it doesn't work well with them.
Okay.
If she has some hormonal issues, if she already has PCOS, if she's already going through hypothyroidism, she should avoid doing an extra fasting.
Okay.
Because again, it is impact. See, ghrelin, leptin, we all know about all these hormones, right? And then cortisol. So when you're fasting also, then also it is impacting all the hormones.
Right. And already you are having that. So
It gives more stress to your body. It puts a lot of stress on your body and then eventually they get more issues.
right.
So I do not recommend it to women who are having hormonal issues, who are lactating or who are pregnant for that matter, who have issues with like hypothyroidism. It is absolutely fine for men because see, men have a 24-hour cycle.
Yeah.
Women has a 28-day cycle.
Yeah.
Right?
Absolutely.
So for women, if they want to do, it's very good to do it during their follicular phase.
Okay.
But not during their luteal phase.
Right. But it'll be very difficult to manage in that sense. Yeah.
Women can do it. They manage a lot. They know it कि कब हमें क्या करना है, कब नहीं करना.
Great. Great then. You said about PCOD and I'm gonna be very direct with this question so that viewers can get the best use out of this. Any tips for people who have PCOD or PCOS? What as a dietitian that you recommend to them?
First things first, get into a routine.
Okay.
We are totally out of routine. रात को हम 1 बजे सो रहे हैं.
Mm-hmm.
And अभी recently there was a research I was reading कि it is also linked with waking up till late.
Okay.
Again, melatonin.
Yeah.
सब कुछ तो हार्मोन है. I think it's all the hormones working and talking. We are just here to live,
Right. But ये सच ही है लेकिन.
है ना? So if you're not sleeping on time, it will impact your hormones.
Okay.
If you're not eating on time, it will impact your
So
hormones.
your routine is one thing that
Your
you need to set.
routine is very important.
Okay. How about diet? Like, are there any particular food that can help with
Right. So if you feel that you have hirsutism,
Mm.
like if you see that you have a lot of facial hair, which you have noticed recently, dark, thick hair on your face, on your navel for that matter, if you see that you're losing hair from the crown area,
Yeah.
that means that the androgen levels are high. So you got to add spearmint tea into your diet.
What?
Spearmint tea.
Okay.
That helps.
Okay.
There have been research on that. Then if a lot of women with PCOS have insulin resistance already,
Yeah.
right? So they have darkness around their neck. If you see those things, if you see that अचानक से मस्से आ रहे हैं, warts आ रहे हैं, so that's also a sign of insulin resistance,
Right.
right? So you got to work upon that also. So again, get into the fat first ritual. खाना खाते time, just see your plate what you're eating, right? So there should be enough protein, there should be enough carbohydrates for that matter, there should be enough fiber.
Right. Right. Right.
है ना?
Somebody told me that आप जब खाना खाते हो ना, irrespective of so PCOD part is over. I'm just generally talking. The pattern of how you eat, like you eat your salads first, like whatever the greens, then you try to eat your proteins after that, and then last when you eat your carbs. So that really plays a lot. I mean, it kind of curbs your spikes.
Yes, you can say.
है ना?
You can say there was a study on this, right?
हाँ.
And I'll say in usual also people eat like that only. They should eat like
बना तो ऐसा ही था सिस्टम, है ना?
है ना?
हमें
कि पहले सबके सैलेड का प्लेट आ जाता है, पहले सब बैठ के पूरी फैमिली सैलेड खाना शुरू करती है, फिर तब तक मम्मी खाना लेकर आती है, and then they start eating the normal food, right? But the problem यही हो जाती है कि उस प्लेट के अंदर प्रोटीन और ये वो सब मैनेज्ड नहीं होता है,
बिल्कुल.
and we eat that way.
So I think this is a good pattern if you're being a little watchful about your weight or other things. And in general.
Mainly, whatever you are eating, be mindful of what you're eating.
Yeah.
Do not scroll and eat.
Yeah.
Do not watch TV and eat. Because that way, you would not be absorbing anything. No matter how expensive, supplements you're eating, no matter how good food you're consuming.
Consider.
Because your body will not absorb anything.
Actually, you're right. ठीक है. But since you use the word supplements, I want to ask, if there are 3 supplements that you want to tell people that they can have it after the consultations, what would those 3 supplements would be?
Vitamin D3.
Okay.
Very, very important. Most of the Indians are, you know it, right?
Yeah, it's they're deficient in
They're
vitamin
deficient
D.
in
Yeah.
vitamin D3. So vitamin D3 is a must-have supplement.
And I want to tell people actually a lot of time, you know how it is found out that people are deficient in vitamin D because of very non-specific symptoms. बस रोने का मन करता है, दुखी हैं, and कुछ करने का मन नहीं करता है.
बहुत
बहुत
सबके
आलसी
में
हैं.
hair
Hair fall, pain in the body.
They are
Definitely.
saying कि हम ये लगा रहे हैं बालों पे तब भी बाल बहुत गिर रहे हैं. I tell them get your vitamin D checked.
Yes.
And in most of the cases that is what it is.
Right. And the key here is get your vitamin D checked. So please get it checked because it is very important. Only when your vitamin D is low and then you get yourself prescribed with vitamin D, that should be helpful.
That should be
Do not take it unless you know your levels.
Right. And second thing is, don't think if it is showing into the sufficient category, it is fine.
Yeah.
You know, this is also one of the major issues, Gaurav, that people think, अरे 30 है ना,
तो चलता है.
तो चलता है. इतना तो हमारा तो ठीक है vitamin D3.
बिल्कुल.
No, you need good amount of it. It should be at least 100.
So that's what, like 80 to 100 we consider, like 70 to 80 we generally prefer कि चलो इतना होना चाहिए at least. Again, like it's always best get a lab test and go to
Your
someone
doctor,
who's
right.
able to prescribe you, a doctor, and get yourself prescribed with those vitamin D. So vitamin D is one.
Right.
And
Then
omega.
vitamin B12.
Oh, B12, yeah.
B12 is again very important, specifically for people who are vegetarians, right? So again, as you said for D3, here also the symptoms and something that you just say, okay, ये तो normal हो रहा है, है ना? You keep forgetting things. That is also one of the symptoms.
Right.
You have tingling in your body. आपको कई बार पता नहीं चलता है, but numbness बहुत जल्दी हो जाती है.
Yes.
That is also one of the symptoms. Right? So get your vitamin B12 checked regularly every 6 months and take the supplements prescribed by a doctor.
Perfect.
That is also important, right? And the third thing, which is very, very important again, would be omega-3.
Right.
Right? Because again, for all of us, we don't get enough of omega-3 through food. Nobody of us is eating fish or anything, right? And that fish is also getting omega through that algae,
Yeah.
right? So we got to understand that it's better to have algae oil instead of having, other things.
Right.
Again, another thing is फिश के साथ या फिर ओमेगा 3 के साथ सब लोग फ्लैक्स सीड्स को वो करते हैं. दैट्स अ मिथ. यू गॉट टू हैव एटलीस्ट आधा किलो फ्लैक्स
Flax
सीड्स
seeds.
अगर आपको उतना ओमेगा चाहिए जितना आपको एक कैप्सूल से मिल रहा है,
तो है obviously it's a highly concentrated form,
राइट?
right?
दूसरा फ्लैक्स सीड्स के अंदर इतने सारे लिग्नेंस हैं कि वो एब्जॉर्प्शन भी नहीं हो पाता है बहुत अच्छे से.
Okay. Okay. Perfect. I think for the fiber part, yes, flax seeds are very good, and the added advantage is the omegas, right? So that's actually perfect. And again, as a disclaimer, please, any of the capsules or medicine that you are going to take, please only take it after getting consultation with the doctor. Ma'am, in the last, we have enumerated 5 food items that are commonly used these days, eaten these days. I want you to just rate them from 0 to 10 based on like 10 being the healthiest and really good, all the green signals there. Okay. And 0, of course, being the worst. Right. Avocado toast.
I would give it a good 8.
Oh, cool. I take that every day. So that's good.
Just add a little protein with it. Maybe 2 eggs
Yeah. Yeah.
should work well.
How about a matcha latte?
It's good, but a little overhyped.
Mm-hmm.
So 5.
How about a dark chocolate? I'm talking about 70% above.
More than 70. 10.
Oh.
If I could give more than 10, then I could.
And how much do you recommend? Like, अब एक आ गया आपका पैक इतना, तो इसका कितना part?
Very important question, because dark chocolate 10 सुन के लोगों को लगेगा कि एक बार तो रोज खा ही लेना चाहिए. Right? So not more than 2 cubes.
Okay. And generally these big ones have this big cube. So 2 of
2 cubes are absolutely fine.
Wow.
Because it is always better to have your dark chocolate at night.
Okay. Yeah.
Why? Because they have magnesium.
Yeah, magnesium. है.
So
Sleep
it will
will be
help
better.
to sleep also.
Right. How about overnight oats?
7.
Okay.
Again, if you add a little more protein in it, if a scoop of protein powder maybe, or something else like paneer or eggs, then it is a perfect meal to have for breakfast.
How about a muesli?
3.
All right. Well, thank you so much. I will also tell you based on the survey that we have done, what score we had given. You had given avocado toast of 8. We have given it 8. Matcha latte you've said 5. We have given 6. Dark chocolate you've given 10. We have given 9. Overnight oats you've given 7. We have given 5. Muesli we've given 3. We have given 4, 4.5. So we are
That's
pretty much on the similar page. Thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you so much. It was lovely to, have. Thank you so much for having me here.
Thank you.
And yeah, if your viewers have any questions, you can just write it down in the comment box, and I would be answering all of them personally.
Perfect.
Thank you.
थैंक यू. आई होप आज का पॉडकास्ट आपको पसंद आया होगा, और अगर आपको ये पसंद आया है और आपने इसमें से कोई भी ऐसा टेक अवे मैसेज लिया है जिसको आप इम्प्लीमेंट करना चाहते हैं, सो प्लीज डू मेंशन. If you will subscribe us, it will be of great help to us. And thank you, Ms. Shivani, for being today on the podcast.